On this video, I'm teaching you how to solve Doppler effect question without racking your brain about what sign to use, whether the source is moving towards the observer or the observer is moving towards the source, or the source is moving away from the observer, or the observer is moving away from the source. So we have the formula for Doppler effects to be frequency observed equals to frequency from the source into brackets velocity of sound in air plus or minus velocity of the observer over v plus or minus velocity of the source. So now let's say you have a source, you have an observer here, and then you have a source. Now imagine you are drawing them on the x-axis, like this is the positive x-axis and this is the negative x-axis. So now if the question says the observer is moving towards the source, it means it's going this way, right? Because this is the source, so it means it's going this way. So it means that UO is positive. Remember, it's going towards the positive x-axis, means UO is positive. So if the source is moving away from the observer, it means it's going towards the positive x-axis, so it is positive US. So we are going to use positive in the formula instead of negative, or maybe you are thinking about what to use, so you are going to use positive when given a question like that. So now if they said the source is moving towards the observer, it means US is negative. It means you are going to use negative in the formula. So now if they said the observer is moving away from the source, from the stationary source or whatever, you're going to use negative for the velocity of the observer. There are some cases in which they tell you that the question will tell you that the source is moving towards, and then the observer is moving towards each other. So it means that UO will be positive because it's moving towards the positive x-axis, and then US will be what? Negative, because it's moving in the negative x direction. So it means you're going to use positive here and then use negative at the bottom because it's US. Remember US, so this is US is negative, so I'm going to use US.